everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Midcode Education. In this video, I am going to discuss about the basic things related to medical coding. Many students have asked me about this exciting field and I am happy to share my knowledge with you. Let's explore medical coding together and unlock its potentials. Okay, so let's start our video. First of all, a lot of students have doubt what is medical coding, what are the about the course details. Okay, so I'm giving you a basic explanation related to medical coding. Medical coding means it converts the diagnosis and procedure into standardized codes. Actually it is a process of converting diseases and procedures into alphanumeric codes. Okay, so this is the basic procedure in medical coding. After a doctor treats a patient, a report is created for the patient and insurance too details the care provided. Medical coding convert diagnosis and procedure into standardized codes, aiding in insurance claims and tracking statistics. Hence, it is the process of translating healthcare diagnosis, procedures, medical services, and equipments into standardized codes. These codes are used in medical records and for billing and insurance purposes. Okay, and what about the syllabus? What is the qualification and what is the about the syllabus? Syllabus means in our medical coding, basic thing is introduction to medical coding and medical terminology. Medical terminology is very important in medical coding because some medical terms all the students have the ability to understand the medical terms, each and every medical terms related to medical field. So to enhance their knowledge, medical terminology is very important in this sector. And human body introduction. Medical coding students must have a knowledge about human body and structure, parts related. Okay, anatomy of human body. Okay, and pathophysiology means physiology related things. And the main comes to medical coding is 3 textbooks. First textbook is ICD-10-CM code. Okay, International Classification of Diseases 10 Clinical Modification. This is the textbook, first textbook. This textbook contains a lot of diseases and their particular codes. Clear? It contains also every system like integumentary or eye, respiratory, pregnancy related chapter, HIV related chapter, everything is there. Okay, and also the diseases codes included. Next main textbook is CPT or current procedural terminology. Okay, coding and guidelines. In CPT contains a lot of services, procedures and their particular codes also. Okay, procedures means it becomes surgery related procedures, services. Okay, and HCPCS, Healthcare Common Procedural Coding System. It contains some equipments and injection name, equipments, wheelchair, ambulance service, etc. Okay, in medical field. So the codes related to the equipments is included in HCPCS and procedures codings are included in CPT. Diagnosis or diseases codes are included in ICD-10-CM. Clear? These textbook contains also some guidelines. Okay, you have to take the code only under the particular guideline information. Okay, these textbooks contain guidelines, so you must have a knowledge on how to take the code based on the guidelines. Clear? And type of codes, yes, I have already explained about that ICD, International Classification of Diseases. So current version is a US based. Okay, ICD-10-CM used for diagnosis coding in the US. Okay, it's a US based system. And CPT also used to code medical, surgical, diagnostics procedures and services. Clear? CPT, current procedural terminology. And HCPCS is for Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. Okay, it contains some services like extra services include codes not covered by CPT. Example, ambulance services, prosthetics, etc. What is the job role in medical coding? It's a common question. What are the roles, or what can be employed as? This can be employed as a rehabilitation centers, hospitals, clinics. You have to work as a medical record coordinator, medical coding specialist, medical billing specialist, medical records technician, health information specialist, medical records clerk, health information clerk. These are the job role related to medical coding. Okay, and next is the eligibility. About the eligibility of medical coding, any graduation is preferred. Okay, so if you are a non-science background, you can take medical coding, no issues. Okay, and if you have a science background, also take no issues. So graduation is a mandatory thing in medical coding, because nowadays all the officers, or if you are ready to attend any interviews, they are asking about graduation mandatory. Okay, graduates can study medical coding. Okay, and any graduation. Okay, so if you are a non-science or science background, both can apply for this course, both can ready to study this course. And fees details, actually fees details is depends on your institutions. Oh, here a lot of institutions in India, and they are fees are entirely different in different institutions. So actually the medical coding classes are in 3 to 4 month classes, so fees depends on your institution. Okay, so one institution can make 13k and 14k, 15k, etc. It is based on your institution and their reputation. Clear? And mode of study, you have to take classroom study and online also. Offline and online classes are available. Okay, and exam details, I have already uploaded the detailed examination details in my previous video. Do check it out, guys. Main exam is CPC examination. It is certified professional coder exam. This is the examination. Also it is a AAPC approved. Okay, AAPC approved means American Academy of Professional Coders approved exam. Okay, and study materials already discussed. Anatomy textbook are there, ICD-10-CM, CPT, HCPCS. Clear? So these are the basic details related to medical coding. So if you are choosing a better institution for medical coding, that will be better for your upcoming growth. Okay, because also some institution may take 3 to 4 month classes, and also some institution provide CPC exam coaching also, but some institution are not providing CPC coaching. So if you are ready to do medical coding, you have to take institution and also know the CPC related things. Okay, some institution are not taking CPC examination, but some institution are taking CPC examination. So try to understand this basic concept. If you are ready to do medical coding, try to know the basic details. Okay, and choose your right institution for studying medical coding. Okay, and also these are the basic things related to. If you have any doubts related to medical coding or medical coding course details or exam syllabus related things, you can contact me through my email ID midcodeeducation10@gmail.com. Okay, so I think this video is helpful for you, and I will be back on more another video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.